Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to fix all damaged noises and blurry images with using Aiarty image enhancer. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one I want to show offshore website Aiarty image enhancer, and we can see 3 AI models here, more detail again, and smooth diff for cartoon style images, and model 3 real photo for real images. So also we can see difference here with this slider. Also we can read other features and tip tricks about Aiarty image enhancer. And for the get Aiarty image enhancer, you can click here, or we can see prices here for full license. We have 2 license, standard license and lifetime license. And for billed yearly, we can use discounts here. And let me show you wait time. You can add here email for get this software for free. Just write here email and click get it free. So guys, welcome back, and first one I want to say interface very user friendly, and we can drag and drop image here or with add button. Let's click for add image here. So first one, let's select this image 1 and click open, and waiting for generate more image details with AI. Right now we can see results here. And let me show the settings. First, you can use CPU or GPU for enhanced images. And we have 3 AI models. First, more detail Gen 2, and next, smooth diff version 2, and real photo version 3. So, for this image, I will use more detail Gen version 2. And also, we can choose here upscaling. And here is my image size, very low size, very small size, and we can choose here upscaling times, and if needed we can use 2-pass processing with again more detail Gen 2, but for now I don't need any 2-pass processing. Let's uncheck. Okay, so right now let's zoom to image for see details. Okay, very quality, not any noises, blurriness, and very clear. Let's click this icon for see real-time difference, and let's see with slider. Very nice, I like it. We can see all details for clear here, background, blurriness, skins, very clear. So let's import here another image. Click add button and add image. Also we can import here directly folder with images. Let's select add image, select image 2, click open. And again waiting for generate more image details with AI. And right now I will use AI model smooth diff version 2. And let's waiting for loading AI models. Okay, here we go. We can see difference. Let's click this icon for see difference. Okay, very nice. Again, very quality results. We can see how this clear, and we can see clouds, sea, and these parts. Okay, very clean, I like it. And let's click this icon for see difference. Very nice. Here is the results, not any comments. I like it. Again we can upscale here for 2 times, 4 times, 8 times, and 1K, 2K, 4K, and 8K. Also we can use custom resolution here. And let's choose here 8K, and waiting loading AI models and waiting for inference. Okay, here we go, and let me show original image size here, and this is after upscaling for 8K. Let's see results. Okay, very quality, I like it, nice. And let's try another AI model with another images. Again, let's click here for import image, select image 3 and click open. And right now I will use AI model for real photo version 3. Let's click and waiting for loading AI models. So here we go. As you can see here, not any noises, and very clean face, skins, and hairs, very detailed. And let's zoom to here. So this is upscaling 1x, and let's select here 2 times upscaling and waiting for inference. and generate more image details. Okay, here we go, and we can see sizes here, and very quality background trees, face skins, hairs, and more. Let's click here for see difference with slider, and let's see. Okay, here we go. Results is very clear. I like it. And so in this time we can use image prompts. If you have used AI images with AI generate service, we can keep the prompts, or we can view prompts for AI images. I will add link on the description below for see how to use image prompts. So let me show how to use text feature. Let's click add text. Can write here text. Let's write TWD. Can choose here font style. Can do this bold and size. We can change size here. Can change movements and rotation, color. Let's select here blue. Click done. Outline, let's click for see outlines, and we can control outline value like this. And finally, let me show how to export images. Let's click this icon, and we can select format here, PNG or JPG, and labels, we can choose labels here, and output path. Browse, we can click browse for select folder and click run. And after exporting, we can see image here. Let's open, and here we go, very quality upscaling image. So guys, for finally, I want to show official Aiarty image enhancer YouTube channel. We can see tutorials, tips and tricks, and new features with videos. We can see how to use AI models, how to use other features. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good day.